everybody, this is Amy Kynes from Ready Aim Teach. And first, I hope this finds you and your family doing really well and that you're healthy and you're safe. This also, I know, is finding you at an incredibly busy, probably emotional and hectic time of year as you are concluding what has been such a memorable, emotional, crazy, again, hectic time in supporting your students. Many of you are also facing milestones with your family, and as you see in the picture here, it's been a big milestone year for us. My younger son has just graduated from Rockville High School, so we are finishing our career with Montgomery County Public Schools. What I realized is not only does that mean that we will no longer have a student, it means that really, technically, I have no affiliation with Montgomery County anymore. So after 27 years, either as a teacher or a parent, we are no longer associated with Montgomery County except through each of you. You, our participants, are our connection with Montgomery County. And so we continue to continuing that partnership because it's so vital and you play such an important role in our lives. And it's been just an incredible journey. So my son Brian just graduated from Rockville High School through the virtual ceremony. So if you wondered why we were so dressed up, that was just for me. I felt strongly I needed something for closure. I needed that picture of graduation day. So he's in a t-shirt and shorts underneath that. He has bare feet, but I needed the picture. But what's next, right? So as you finish this school year, what is next for you? Of course, I hope you will take a break. You'll give yourself that moment to rest and recuperate. But we also know we're going to need some strategies for next year. Because how are we going to continue to support our students next year? How are we going to build community, establish relationships, teach the content in ways where we might have a hybrid of distance learning, in-person learning, having some of our students, but not all of our students? We know school's gonna look incredibly different next year, and so how do we go about doing that? At Ready Aim Teach, we've really had to pivot the way that we deliver our workshops, of course. So in March, we just flipped it completely and went to online workshops. What we have done in the course of the last couple of months and what we're continuing to do over the summer, not only is change how we deliver content, but also change the strategies that we're able to give you. And we're excited this summer to deliver content in ways that you can duplicate and give to your students. So we're excited that this summer, we're really going to focus on what can you do to change your delivery next fall. So how can we establish relationships with our students if they're not going to be face-to-face with us? How can we do that in a distance learning environment? How can we build relationships student to student within our whole classroom if kids aren't going to be sitting in a circle literally right next to each other? So those are going to be topics that are built into every single one of our courses, and we're going to have opportunities for teachers to be able to share ideas with each other. We're going to build those kinds of structures and strategies into our courses, and so I think now more than ever, it's going to be vital for people to join us at a Ready Aim Teach workshop this summer. So I hope you'll look through the flyer that's attached to this workshop, pick some of the courses that are going to be most interesting to you. The workshops that take place in June fall under tuition reimbursement systems that are FY20. So if you haven't used all of your reimbursement for FY20, pick the workshops that take place in June. If you're done with your reimbursement for FY20 and you're ready for 2021, pick the ones that end in July. If you have questions about that, of course, reach out to us. We've got some brand new courses that you're going to see that we are over the moon excited about because we really feel like they will make a huge difference for our students. But even the courses that have been around for a while, we have to make dramatic changes to because everything's different now. The whole system is different. Even when we're thinking about room arrangement, it's going to look totally different when we finally have our students back in our classes. How do we set up routines for our students when they're at home? What is that going to look like? So everything's changing, but what hasn't changed is our dedication to you, to professional development and what's best for our students and how do we make student learning active and interactive. So we hope you'll join us for a workshop this summer. If you have questions, reach out to us. We're happy to answer them and guide you along that way. But on behalf of all of us at Ready Aim Teach, thank you for what you continue to do for students each and every day. Congratulations on this year. You deserve a well-earned break. Thanks, everybody.